Yeah, I know.
Show me the magic, Chancey.
After saying yeast. Because you know how when you eat ice cream, your tongue goes over sometimes? That's what it's like. That's what I feel like.
What did you say?
Shut up, Gordy. I'm sorry. Gordon Lee Brown II. This video's gonna be a mess. Chancey's doing his magic with the... Oh, there it goes!
Move it, Chancey.
When he said put it on YouTube so she can watch it.